Are you tired of these complicated Axe bottles? Tired of accidentally spraying your eyes and not getting it on your body?
Buddy, use new chainsaw body spray. All you gotta do is just three seconds, and you're done.
No way.
Can I use someone from the streets to show how easy it is?
Sure.
All you gotta do is press down and do it 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, and 3.
Where'd they go?
Ooh. Good stuff. Thanks, Mr. Chainsaw Man.
And if you call our number right now, we got a limited time offer. We're gonna throw 2 big little ones at you. It's gonna be great, baby. Awesome with the capital A.